Final output in business calculus. Presented by Michael Roy Valencia, John Bernard Batatlan, and Gabriel Rodriguez. Our first problem. The manager of many facets, jewelry, store models, total sales by the function S quantity of T equals 2000 T over 4 plus 0.3 T, where T is time since the year is 2006 and S is measured in thousands of dollars. The question is, at what rate were sales changing in the year 2008? First, we need to derive the equation. We will use the quotient rule. The next step, and then this is the derived equation. And then we will simplify the equation. It's 8,000 over 21.16. 8,000 divided by 21.16 is equal to 378.07. That is the final answer for question letter A.
So let's go back to the scenario. The scenario is the manager of the many facets jewelry store models total sales by the function S quantity of T equals 2000 times T all over 4 plus 0.3 times T. The second question for letter B is what happens to sales in the long run, which is the long run refers to T approaches limit of T as T approaches positive infinity. So there's the derived equation. So as limit of T approaches positive infinity, 2000 over 4 divided by T plus 0.3, and the simplified equation is 2000 divided by 0.3. So sales will rise towards 666.67 but not reach that high.
Now, as for the second question, here is the scenario. A manufacturer estimates that the marginal cost of producing Q units of a certain commodity is C, derivative of Q is equals to 3Q squared minus 24Q plus $48 per unit. If the cost of producing 10 units is $5,000, what is the cost of producing 30 units? Now, based from the past equation, we would integrate that equation and this would be the resulting equation. Q cubed minus 12Q squared plus 48Q plus C. I have mentioned earlier that Q will represent the number of units in this equation. Now we will substitute 10 to Q. 10 cubed minus 12 times 10 squared plus 480 plus C equals 280 plus C is equals to 5,000. Now C would be equal to 4,720. Now as for the cost of producing 30 units, we would substitute 30 to Q, and the resulting answer and the result will be 22,360.